Okay, I welcome you to the class of mathematics. With me here, your teacher, Mr. A plus. I've come with a question and sets. Okay, so we want to see how we can answer questions under sets from paper 2. Okay, so now quickly let's go direct to the question and see how we are going to answer it. The Venn diagram below shows tourist attractions visited by students in a certain week. So we have the Venn diagram, which is this one. So the first set is for Victoria Falls, the other one is for Mambima Falls, the last one Ngonya Falls within the Venn diagram. Now let us see the question that follow. So we have A1, find the value of y if 7 students visited Mambima Falls only. Okay, 7 students visited Mambima Falls only. So when you look at the set for Mambima is this one. So within Mambima Falls, here we have 2 students, here we have 10, here we have 1, here we have 2 plus y. So now, since the question is categorical, here they are saying Mambima Falls only. So simply means we should consider the numbers that are not found in these other sets. Okay. What do I mean? We are going to exclude this one because this one is also found in Ngonya Falls. So we cannot add it, okay, when calculating. Then the other one also 10 is also found in Mambima Falls. It is also found in Ngonya Falls, the other one in Victoria Falls. So we exclude that one as well. Then the other one is 2. 2 is found in Victoria Falls as well. Therefore, it cannot be included according to the question. So now, for us to find the value of y, it means we are just going to consider 2y plus 1 because that is the one which is found in Mambima Falls only. Okay, so our equation now is going to be 2y plus 1. Then in the statement they are saying find the value of y if 7 students visited Mambima Falls only. So 7 we are going to equate to 7. Okay, because they are saying only 7 students is equals to 7, and that is our equation. That is an equation, and it's very easy for us to do what? To find the value of y there. Okay, we are just going to follow simple steps for linear equation. So here what we are going to do is to correct the like terms as usual. You write 7, then this one is positive. The moment it crosses an equal sign, it will become negative. So it will be minus 1. Okay, then from there, we continue. Y, 2y is equals to 7 minus 1. The answer is 6. Okay. Then from there, since we want to find the value of y, so this side for us to remain with y, we have to divide by 2 both sides. Okay, so we are going to say 2, even this side 2. So 2 into 2, the answer is 1. Then 1 times y, the answer is y. So this side, we are remaining with y. So y is equals to 2 into 6. The answer is what? 3. Okay. So that is our solution. Okay. So we are done with the first equation. A bullet, Loma numeral 1. Then we go to Loma numeral 2. So the question follows. How many students visited Victoria Falls but not Ngonya Falls? So for you to answer this question, you just go direct to the Venn diagram that you are given and see how the numbers are put in there. So now here we are going to, since they are asking to find the students who visited Victoria Falls but not in Ngonya Falls. So where is Victoria Falls? Victoria Falls is this set, okay? We have this set for Victoria Falls. So this Victoria Falls, we are going to see that we have 6 here, we have 4 there, we have 2 there. Then there is a condition there where they are saying not Ngonya Falls. So when you look at this 10 is found in Victoria Falls, but it is also in Ngonya Falls, as well as this 4. So this 4 is also found in Victoria, Ngonya Falls as well. So therefore, we are supposed to exclude 4 and 10, and we are going to remain with 6 and what? 2. Okay, and for us to find now the final answer there, we have to just add 6 plus 2. Then the answer that you are going to get is the number of students that only visited Victoria Falls but not Ngonya Falls. So this is 2. So we are going to say 6 plus 2, and the answer is going to be 8. Okay, so 8 students visited only Victoria Falls, but not Ngonya Falls. Okay, so quickly we go to the last question. I mean, the second from the last according to the question that we are given. So question B says 2 tourist attraction only. How many students visited 2 tourist attractions only? So when you look at the Venn diagram there, we are going to consider now the 2 intersections, those numbers that are intersecting 2 sets. So when you look at these two is found in Victoria Falls as well as in Mambirima Falls. So we are going to pick that one. Then where else? We also have Mambirima Falls and Ngonya Falls. We have one here. Then the other side, we have Victoria Falls and Ngonya Falls. How many? There are 4. So for us to answer that question, to know the total number of students that visited only 2 tourist attractions, we are going to add 2 plus 4, then plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 4. Then the answer that you are going to get is the answer which they are looking for. Okay, so we are going to say 2 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 4. Okay, so when we add this, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7. So there are 7 what? Students. Okay, 7 students. 7 what? Oh, here 8 students. Okay, so we have answered this question. Then we go to the last question. The last question is how many students visited 1 tourist attraction only? 1 tourist attraction only. So there is that condition. Only. Meaning we are just going to consider here the only one we have is 2y plus 1. Then this side we have 6. This side we have 8. So we have to add all those. Okay. So now how are we going to do for us to answer that? In fact, here we have, this is A, this is A, okay, and this is B, then the last one is C, okay. So we are going to start, we say 6 plus, we have 8 there plus. Now, when we come to Mambirima Falls only, you are going to see that here we have an expression where we have 2 terms that are not like. So what we are going to do is this: since we have found the value of y, it is going to be very easy for us to find the whole number for this area. Okay, so here, since y is equals to 3, so where there is 2 there, I mean where there is y, we are going to substitute. So we can do it first on a separate part, whereby we say 2. Where there is y there, we put 3. Okay, then plus 1. So 2 plus 3, the answer is 6, plus 1, we are going to have 7. Therefore, here alone is what? 7. So now, for us to find now, to finalize, okay, we have to add. So we are going to add 6 plus 8, the answer is 14. Then 14 plus 7, the answer is going to be 21. Okay, 21 what? Students. Okay, therefore, the answer. So this is how we handle sets in mathematics, particularly paper 2. Okay, so To those of you who have been following me, um, the previous lesson that we had, we are looking at a situation where you are just given the data, the information, then you are asked to draw the Venn diagram. Now this one, the Venn diagram is already given. Now they are just asking questions out of the same Venn diagram. Okay, so this is how we answer this type of question. Thank you so very much for your attention. So the other thing that I would like to actually encourage you, for you not to be left out, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Academy, as well as to follow my Facebook page, Mr. A plus. Okay, not only that, I'm also found on TikTok there. Just follow me, the same name, Mr. A plus, as well as the on the Instagram, the name is still the same. It is Mr. A plus. It's only the YouTube where it is written Pedagogy Academy. These other platform, it's Mr. A plus. Please do that because I'm here to take you there academically. Thank you so very much for your attention.